everybody, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to my channel. Hello, I am FRITZI, your host, and welcome back to my channel. So today it is a snow day part 2. So it is, well, this is the first video doing of this year of the snow day, but we've been having snow all weekend. We've been cooped up and locked up in this house all weekend because it has been snowing all weekend. It was snowing all the way to yesterday to 5 o'clock this morning today. So we had so much snow, guys. It is redunculous crazy. So we are just a mess today and I can't take anymore. I have 4 kids from the ages of 10 to 1 in the house and they are driving me bonkers. So we are going to find a way to go outside. No, we're not going to find a way. We are going to go outside. I want to let them burn off some of the energy. And yes, I see you. I see your shadow right there. So we're going to go outside and let the kids burn off their energy, play in the snowman, make some snowman, go down the hill, do some sliding or sledding in the sleds and try to burn off some of the energy. But in the meantime, they are eating lunch, so we're waiting for them to eat lunch, finish their lunch so we can go out and get these kids ready and get them all ready and set and ready. And you can see I'm in Naya's room because I'm trying to get her snowsuit and everything and trying to get her stuff ready. And we gotta get all the kids' snow gear and all that stuff ready. So welcome to this vlog of Blizzard 2021, folks. It is not a snowstorm, it is a blizzard. Okay, snowstorm is snowstorm. No, it is a blizzard, people. Wait till I go outside and I show you all the snow we occurred here for this whole weekend. It is a blizzard. It's not a snowstorm, it's a blizzard. So welcome to a Blizzard 2021. So on that note, let's go over here and check out the kids. I gotta get them ready so we can go outside and help them see if they finished eating their lunch.
I can eat hot
Oh no, Asia, the hair.
I can eat hot Takis without drinking nothing.
We gotta get your hair done.
No.
Yes, you ain't going outside. You was not going outside looking like you just came out the trenches. That is redunculous. Look at that hair. Lord Jesus. Aiden, are you gonna go outside this time? You wanna go out in the snow, play the snow this time? What about you, Aiden? I mean, Jadian.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump and go, and do my.
What'd you have for lunch?
Grilled ham and cheese sandwich, and I'm gonna dig a hole like I did last.
Well, what else you have on your plate? I see lots of other stuff on your plate.
There's secret tips that we can't tell you about, right? Yeah,
What chips you got, Jay? Takis. Jay, what chips you got? Take juice out your mouth.
Takis.
What do you got, Naya? Chips. You didn't want your grilled ham and cheese. You're another one. We got to get your hair done. Looking like y'all kids look like you just woke up and came out the trenches. But anyways, we're gonna relax and chillax and get ready to go outside for this so cold of a snow day. I know, the second day you didn't have school. Tomorrow you might have a delay. In the meantime, while the kids are eating their lunch and getting their lunch done and eating and whatever, Aiden has decided he wants to go outside in the snow. This is a boy that don't like snow. They say he said, I don't like snow. I don't like to go in the snow. I don't like to touch snow. I don't like nothing to do with snow. But today, since Sunday, he's been saying he wants to go outside in the snow because he wants to play snowballs and make a snowman and go in the snow because I guess he missed out last time and he wants to make sure that he don't miss out this time. Usually, Aiden never liked to go in the snow since he was like little, but I think he's growing out of it, right, Aiden? Yeah. I think he's growing out of it. He's like growing up. He's 4, so I think he's growing out of that phase, and I think he wants to join in the fun with the other kids. Or he was just shy, he just didn't want to. I know he didn't like the texture of the snow, the coldness, but I think with Pop, what he did with him over the weekend was he was like, giving him snow, like in the house, like going outside in the snow and touching it. So I guess now he wants to go out in the snow. So hurry up, kids, eat lunch. We're going to go outside. And I gotta figure out what's wrong with this one. What's wrong?
She wants Takis.
No, you can't have Takis. Takis are too hot for you, little girl. You can have regular trips.
Here.
But I'm gonna show you also. Oh, before we even go outside, I want to show you what Brad did this morning. How we shoveled our driveway. Brad and his crazy behind what he did. The video was shot from my phone, so it's at the other angle. So excuse not on the regular angle like I record, but it is on my phone, so it's on the other angle. So we're gonna show you in just like a little short clip. Just wait. We're gonna put it here. We're gonna show you how Brad shoveled our driveway. I'm gonna see how he shoveled our driveway. It's quite funny. Check it out. When you're too lazy to shovel.
You want to shovel?
No, but I know not to run back and forth like that with the car because he behind is too lazy to shovel. Look at you, the wheels just spinning.
I'm further than I would have been if I shoveled.
You know, you wouldn't have to go through this if you would have got the snowblower when I told you to get a snowblower.
Wawa.
Yes, baby.
No.
It's snow, yeah. You see what Papa's doing? He's being lazy.
Papa. No.
It's snow. She said, why are you being lazy in the snow?
Hey.
Oh, I'm sorry. You don't want me to talk to Papa like that?
Papa. Papa.
What's up, Naya? You looking at Papa? Go ahead. Look at Papa. Look out the window. And he made it out, folks. He shoveled the driveway with the car. Come on, snowsuit. Update.
Put your feet in.
Struggling, put snowsuits on. Come on. Oh, Naya. Put your foot in, and we gotta get your boots on. Let me see. Look. Woo!
Hey, Aiden.
Come here, mommy. Look at your brothers, and then look at you. Look at you. Okay, we're out here. We're about to go in the snow, get the snow day started. The kids are excited. They're in the snow, and they all can't wait to get in the snow. So let's go. Okay. So this is how deep the snow is, guys. It's just deep. Like, really deep.
It's not that serious. It's just snow.
Ada is not having the best of time right now. And Asia's already out there. There goes Jay. We gotta be careful, Aiden. And then, yeah, there you go. Let's hope I don't fall. Okay. All right, Naya. You wanna walk? Okay, come on. Let's walk. You gotta make room, Asia. You gotta make like a little path, remember? Look at Pop-Up. Look at Pop-Up, Naya. Look at Pop-Up. Look at Pop-Up.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Running down there. I'm trying to make a snowman.
Well, go ahead.
Do you have a pet?
Asia, Naya wants you.
What happened?
Oh, we're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We try to understand how it all started to go wrong, but the sea is way too deep. Yeah.
Ready? On your mark, get set, go. Woo! How did you like that? It was fun. Not bad, huh? You want to go again? Okay, you got to bring out the sled with you.
Signs told us how we could reach the other side. And you start to doubt. I don't blame you, 'cause I feel the same. 'Cause I can only hold on for so long, and we should be proud. All that we can do is hope for miracles, or just let it go. But honey, we have to be together here in the stormy weather.
Push him. He's... Push him again. Hold on, Aiden, you got to move out the way. It's Jaden's turn. Move on the side over here. Yep. One. Move out the way, puppy. 1, 2. Puppy, you're too far up. You're too far up, baby. You gotta go down. You gotta go on the top, right here. Get up for a minute. Get up, get up, get up. Okay, you gotta go right here. All right, that's it. Woo. Ready? Bobby, you gotta sit up. You gotta sit up. You can't, yeah. Woohoo! What? Awesome! Woohoo! Alright! Alright, you gotta move out the track. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, that was... You're stuck. You should have came on your butt. Tigger's taking off his costume, or Papa's taking off the costume with Tigger.
I know a Tigger. I ain't Tiger. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating.
Everybody had enough of snow day. I know I did.
I didn't want to go inside, but I had to. Because this one kept complaining he wanted hot chocolate. I said hot cocoa. So. It's the same thing. Hot chocolate, hot cocoa, whatever. I'm done.
Me too, I'm done. Yeah, I'm not going back outside. It's too cold. That wind is atrocious. That wind is howling out there. It's atrocious. I can't do it.
My feet are dry.
Well, we're going to take off all our clothes, so we're going to go upstairs and get some hot cocoa and maybe some crackers or something. Because we need to warm our bodies up, warm our blood up. So instead of hot chocolate, the kids And
We're
Brad.
drinking yellow snow. Cones.
Oh. Ew. Oh my God.
We're fixing to have brown ones later.
Hold on.
So.
I'm kidding. I don't have no
So
brown
Brad got the kids
flavor.
hooked on to lemonade snow cones in a cup. So that's what they're eating. A lot of snow, so I
Well, I
guess
put a lot in there.
it's natural. So they're making snow cones with they're making the best of it. Now they're playing it, they also making snow cones. Instead of hot chocolate, that's what they want, snow cones. I guess I eat hot chocolate later. Oh, and now Papa's also putting ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ain't that ice cream? Oh, you got. Oh.
Oh. Hold on. Oh, jeez.
Okay, here.
What you do? Eat it too fast? You got another. You got another brain freeze. Look, Jaden got his brain freeze. Jaden got a brain freeze. That's what happens when you eat it too fast. You see that? That's the end of the video. I didn't take a video of the kids drinking hot chocolate and all that because they drank that early and then they went to bed and all that. So it's like a couple days later, if you haven't noticed. It is the weekend now, so we are about wrapping it up here. I am cooking and I'm trying to get the kids served for supper and all that, and then we're gonna relax, probably have a movie night and then go to bed later. And all that good shit. So I hope you liked our little snow day video, our second snow day, which will be the first snow day of our, or should say the first blizzard of 2021 for us up here up north. So that is our little video. I hope you enjoyed our video. Hope you enjoyed our little blizzard video of the kids playing in the snow. So that's it. We're gonna chillax for the night. But before I go, if you like this video or any other videos on our channel, please give us a thumbs up and let the community know that that we are a good channel and you would like to see more videos like this one, so you too can push out our videos. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do so. We would love to have you part of our family, part of our room. You can also go ahead and leave a comment below in the comment section. Let us know what you like for us to do next. Remember, every day here at Life with Fritzi, we are too blessed to be stressed. Right? On that note, I gotta go. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful day. Remember, friends, always, always, always stay happy. Always stay happy and stay blessed. But until the next video, I'll see you later. Remember, always, always, always have a magical day. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Ciao.